Hey guys, this is Katie and I'm here to talk a little bit about an interactive online whiteboard that can be used by pretty much anyone, but most specifically students. This is Pixiclip at pixiclip.com. That is Pixiclip.com. As I said, this is a really great site for students to showcase their thought processes and ideas on a particular subject and then have it be put into a video and shared amongst their peers and their teachers. So I'm going to just show you the features of this site. Here we have the tools over here on the left hand side. Pencil, marker, type, that's pretty self-explanatory. Move, undo, redo, again, erase and clear. And then we have our colors. So I'm going to focus on those first. So I'm going to take the pencil and I'm going to draw an arrow. And if you noticed, down here the time went up. I had it at 3 seconds, I believe, because I was playing around on here. But that time means that's how long the video is going to be once the student is done. So whatever that ends up being. I will draw again and you can see how the time goes up because that's how much time that I've worked on it. So I'm drawing these arrows just to show maybe the student wants to talk about their knowledge of the life cycle of a butterfly. So they draw their arrows in and then they want to type in something. So here we're going to type in eggs and then caterpillar. Down here we got cocoon, and over here we have butterfly. So they type that all in. Maybe they want to move these around, get them more centered. That would be good. And then they can go back and they can take their marker, maybe they want to highlight something. I think that's a really cool feature of this site. I can pick any color I want to highlight in and just go over these words like so. They really can add anything. Then down here we have add media, which gives this another layer. So there's a mic and a webcam. Students can use the mic to have their voices over this whiteboard work to explain what they're doing, what they're thinking, and what direction they're going in. And the webcam is another way for them to show themselves or their work as they're doing this. And down here we have uploaded images. I just uploaded some that I might use on my website just to show you guys, so you could upload them, and it actually might not go through because I might have to just do it again. That's okay. So you just click upload, really easy, brings you to your own desktop, and give it a second. It will upload it for you, and you really just have to drag it, and then in here you can manipulate the size, put it anywhere you want, and it ends up being a really cool feature. So I make it, and now I want to say publish and share. So I go and publish and share, give it a name, butterfly life cycle with my picture. The description is optional, so I'll show my cursor, that's great, and then I save it. Immediately it will take me to it, and I'm an anonymous user, but you can sign up, log in, and then you can play it.